Welcome to JSW Steel. Today, I'll walk you through the complete HR manufacturing process.
I'm excited to learn how the entire process works inside such a massive steel plant.
Iron making starts with two key raw materials, a coking coal and iron ore. So these materials are the starting point for steel production. The outputs here are pig iron and sponge iron using blast furnace, Corex and DRI technologies. Among these, the blast furnace route is the most widely used. To produce 1 ton of steel, we need about 0.77 tons coking coal and 1.6 tons iron ore.
The blast furnace reaches temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees Celsius inside.
After iron making, the molten metal enters the SMS for refining. Here, alloying and microalloying elements are added. Heat size is 240 metric ton in Bellary, 180 metric ton in Dolvi HSM1 and 350 metric ton in Dolvi HSM2. Bellary SMS capacities are 4, 6 and 6 MTPA across 3 units. Dolvi operates 2 SMS units with capacities of around 5 MTPA each. In CSP casting, slab thickness is typically around 80 mm. In continuous casting, slab thickness is usually around 300 mm. Hot charging allows slabs to move directly into rolling while still hot, saving energy. Some slabs undergo squeezing for dimensional control before hot rolling. Possible slab squeezing is around 50 mm in Bellary and 30 mm in Dolvi.
Okay, I understand.
Bellary HSM 1 and 2 together handle capacities of 3.5 and 6.5 MTPA with widths up to 20-50 mm.